everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox screen black or blank screen. If your Roblox screen goes black, close the app and restart your device. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Roblox and then swipe the app away. Next, you're going to restart your device. After that, open Roblox. Then switch networks, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues and ensure the app is updated. Head over to your app store, search for Roblox and make sure to update your app to the latest version. After that, low storage or insufficient RAM can also cause blank screens. So go ahead and open your settings app. Go to iPhone storage by going to general, go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have sufficient storage. On Android, clear cache. On iPhone, search for iPhone storage and then scroll down, search for Roblox and then offload your app. Then reinstall the app. Restarting fixes temporary glitches and your game should load properly afterward, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.